Hiya! Last month I showed you my first Kinder beauty box, a vegan, cruelty-free beauty box that ships worldwide. This month I have the February beauty box to show you. I know it's arrived quite late in the day and I was traveling and all that. And I will also be telling you March spoilers. So before all of that, Kinder, as I told you, it's a cruelty-free vegan beauty box. It was founded by Ivana Lynch, who played Luna Lovegood in Harry Potter. Luna is a vegan and she's very, very passionate about animal welfare. And she's a sort of, this box is her brainchild. So this is my second box. I absolutely adored the first box. I have a code for you. I mean, if you use it, you get one bonus product with your first beauty box. The code is Renu, RENU _Kinder, all caps. Renu happens to be my name. Anyway, let's get on with the unboxing and then we'll talk about the box later. It comes like this, no external box, very little wastage, they're very nice. And inside, you have the product card, which is smaller than last month's because last month's was their first box, the January box, and that was the introductory one, so they had an introductory sort of pamphlet and all that. This month, this is all. So they do release spoilers beforehand, and I confess I have seen spoilers. I'm that way. So this month's box has more makeup, actually. There are 5 products. At least 3 products per box will be full-sized. And if you use my code, you get one bonus product with your first box. Right, so one of these is not full-sized. Everything else is full-sized. Right, the first thing that I got is Ambreesh Cosmetics liquid lipsticks, 24 karat lips, and the shade that I got is called Come Get Me, and this apparently is $28. A waterproof, transfer-proof, all-day wear formula that still provides an extremely lightweight feel. Our collection comes in a range of beautiful bolds, muted mauves, and neutral nudes. And this obviously, like everything else in this box, is 100% vegan and cruelty-free and feels very, very heavy. I don't think I have another tube of liquid lipstick that feels this heavy. So that's the packaging, and this is the shade I got. Very, 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 very nude, ideal for everyday wear. Let's see what that looks like. So I can't really get a fragrance from this, and this is the shade that I got. That is brown with mild mauvey tones somewhere. There's a hint of purple, or a hint of mauve rather. So I should be able to pull this off. In the event that I cannot, I will be passing it on. Let's hope that I can. So I'm not going to try it because I am wearing a lipstick already, and So the second product in this box is from Kat Von D, controversial brand recently. I used to be a fan of Kat Von D until recently. See, I'm somebody who has been affected by anti-vaxxers. Before I could be vaccinated, that is when I was a very, very small baby, I'd already got measles and mumps, thanks to an anti-vaxxer aunt. My mum, I mean, not the aunt, obviously her daughter, so my cousin. So my mum isn't a fan of anti-vaxxers, and nor am I. I mean, the suffering that I went through as a baby obviously played on her mind, and she's told me the stories. My mum's sister has told me the stories. So this particular aunt being an anti-vaxxer, her daughter got mumps, measles, and so on, and passed them all on to me. Before I could be vaccinated, when I was a very, very small baby, and believe me, it's not pleasant when very, very tiny babies have to go through measles and mumps. And incidentally, apparently I've also got German measles as well as the other measles. So yeah, anti-vaxxers, very nice. So I'm not a fan of that policy, and I therefore don't buy Kat Von D, although Kat Von D's high voltage eye primer, now discontinued, thankfully, was my holy grail. Still is, actually. I mean, I have 2 tubes of that. But it's discontinued, so I can't repurchase even if I wanted. So apart from that, I don't support Kat Von D anymore. So this is her tattoo eyeliner, which is a product that I absolutely love as a rule. I mean, although for obvious reasons, I don't buy Kat Von D products now. This is full-sized and costs $20. So liquid eyeliners are always welcome because I only use liquid felt tip pen type eyeliners, not the dip and pots or bottles where you dip a brush, nothing of that sort, just the pen type eyeliners which are liquid. That's what I use, and they dry up very quickly, as most of you who use these things will know. So always welcome. I do wish it had been another brand because Kat Von D and I don't really get along anymore. Now, the third product is from Eldora. These are H171, no, not H1N1, H171 false eyelashes, and these retail for $9. And you also have a mini vegan lash glue somewhere in there. Now these look more or less natural, not in your face. I'm not a fan of in your face lashes, so I will be using these. So that's $9. The next product, also full-sized, is from Delia Organics, or Delia, I think. Skin Detox Rehab Mask with French pink clay and papaya extract. Whether it is a change of season, you're recovering from an illness, and you have been taking antibiotics, or your skin just needs a quick reboot, give this powerful detox rehab mask a try. $22. And it doesn't say how many mils, 60 grams. So it's a powder, it's a clay mask. It's a clay powder that you mix in water, or I don't know, rose water, or your favorite hydrating toner, or I don't know, honey, I suppose, but not if you're vegan. Apple cider vinegar, and apply to your face. So my choice would be to apply this with my favorite mist, such as Yomorowitz Queen of Hungary mist. That's what I'm currently using to mix my powder masks. Now, for some reason, the next product has come in without a lid, a cap. This is a mini deluxe size. This is how many mils? 7 mils. This is from Derma E. Nourishing Rose Cleansing Oil. Our rinse-free cleansing oil leaves your skin feeling superbly moisturized, along with an improved and soft and dewy appearance. It delivers a concentrated boost of intense antioxidant-rich moisture for a healthy tone, renewed texture, and exceptional suppleness. So, 5 products in here. 4 full sizes. They only promise 3, so I'm always happy to get 4 full sizes. 1 deluxe size. I'm always a fan of trying new cleansers and cleansing oils. I'm a cleanser junkie and have a huge cleanser wardrobe, so we'll be happy to try this. Derma is a brand where I've heard very good things. I hope that the liquid lipstick will suit my skin tone. Always happy to get a liquid liner. I do wish this had been from another brand though. Now that I am dabbling with falsies, wearing them, I'm happy to get new ones, and these are vegan and cruelty free, and I'm a clay masker. Clay masks are best for oily skin such as mine. So this month's box, overall, very pleased, very happy that there are 3 makeup products, 1 full-size skincare and 1 travel-size skincare. So very nice box this month. Now the March box is going to be a spa and sort of pampering box. There's a bath bomb in there. There's a hand cream in there, and there's a full-sized mascara in there. Both the bath bomb and the hand cream are full-sized as well. There's also a full-sized steam bottle, steam herbs, little flowers, dried flowers that you put in a steamer or in boiling water, and then you steam your face, or you can just use it in your bath. For a luxurious soak. So that's there as well. And there are some kind of sage sticks or incense sticks that you burn for fragrance. So in a nutshell, those are the products, the 5 products. Hand cream, the incense sticks, bath bomb, full-sized mascara. You either get black or dark chocolate. I hope I get black. And finally, the steam flowers. So 5 products in next month's box, and I believe that everything but the incense sticks is full-sized. So the hand cream is from Farmhouse Fresh. So those are the products in next month's box. I have mixed feelings about this. While I'm a huge fan of bath bombs and hand creams and can't have too many mascaras or hand creams, I'm not sure how I feel about the incense sticks. I like my diffuser and aromatherapy oils, fragrant oils, but I don't like, burning stuff around the house, incense sticks. I love my scented candles as well. So maybe I can use them instead of scented candles sometime. Anyway, let the box arrive. So March spoilers there and the contents of the February box. Now, Kinda ships worldwide. Where to buy? I shall link in the description box below. Do use code RENUARI, NU_Kinda, all capitals, for a bonus product with your first box. Everything is vegan and cruelty free. And each box costs about $19.95 a month if you're on a 12-month subscription, and up to $24 if you're on a single box, if you're on a month-to-month subscription. So $19 to $24, $19.95, almost $20 to $24 per box, which isn't bad at all for 4 full-size products. And there's more makeup in here than I expected, so I'm quite pleased so far. The March box, I don't know how I feel about the incense sticks. So anyway, let the box arrive. Maybe it smells amazing. We'll see. I'm trying to keep an open mind, here. So those are my thoughts. Are you a subscriber? Will you be subscribing? I'd love to know your thoughts as well on this box. And if you do want to subscribe, do use my link and my code to get a bonus product with your first box alone. And that bonus product is also full-sized. I have shown you what the bonus product that I got in my January box, the unboxing of which I have linked in the description box below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up and please do hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.